Hi everybody, we are in May monthly, chapter 1, level FG, like your grandparents. Josh looks at pictures. He sees a picture of his great-grandpa. It was a long time ago. His great-grandpa was 4 years old. Josh looks at a picture of him. Josh looks like his great-grandpa. They both have brown hair. Oops, sorry y'all. Josh and his great-grandpa have brown eyes. Josh looks at another picture. He sees his great-grandpa buy a house. His great-grandpa built the house. Josh's dad likes to build things. That's a really cool house. Josh looks at another picture. He sees a little girl and boy. It is Grandma Barb. The little boy is her brother. Josh looks at a picture of Claire. Claire is Josh's sister. Claire looks like Grandma Barb. They both have blonde hair. They both have blue eyes. Josh looks at more pictures. Grandma Barb was a teacher. Claire wants to be a teacher. Grandma and Claire are the same in some ways. Grandparents and kids can have the same traits. They can have different traits too. A trait is how a person looks. Josh looks like his great-grandpa. Claire looks like Grandma Barb. People in families can be the same. People in families can be different. Great-grandpa and great-grandma, Grandma Barb, and great-uncle Bill. Okay, that was it for chapter 1. Please make sure you log on to Canvas and do your work. If you have any questions, please make sure you reach out to Miss S or I in our office hours. Have a great day.